First up, the toy that turns any backyard into a total splash zone. This electric water blaster fires a continuous stream with absolutely no pumping needed. Just hold down the trigger and soak everyone in sight. It refills in seconds. The high-capacity tank lasts through an epic water fight, and it is lightweight enough for kids and adults alike. Whether it is a pool party, a hot summer afternoon, or just a backyard battle with the neighbors, this blaster is the one everyone fights over. Trust me, summer just got way more fun. Next up, a remote control shark that genuinely swims. It glides through the water exactly like the real thing, turning, diving, surfacing, and chasing around the pool. The controls are simple enough for younger kids, yet it moves so realistically that the adults end up playing with it too. Kids go absolutely wild watching it cruise beneath the surface, and it is the perfect showstopper for any pool party. Charge it up, drop it in, and watch the whole backyard gather around. This is one of those toys that looks twice as expensive as it actually is. Now here is a mini drone built specifically for beginners and kids. It is incredibly easy to fly indoors, with one-button takeoff and landing so nobody gets frustrated on day one. Press a button and it does cool 360 flips, and because the propellers are fully guarded, it is safe to zoom around the living room without scratching the walls or little fingers. It comes with multiple batteries for longer flight time, and the altitude hold feature keeps it steady in the air. If you have got a future pilot in the family, this is the perfect way to get them started. Meet the smart robot dog, your new best friend that actually listens. It responds to your voice, performs over 30 different tricks, and it walks, dances, sings, and even reacts to your touch. The best part? Through the companion app, it teaches kids the basics of coding in a fun, hands-on way, so they are learning real skills while they play. It has glowing eyes, fun sound effects, and a rechargeable battery, so the fun never stops. You get all the joy of a brand new puppy with absolutely zero mess and no cleanup. It is a gift that genuinely surprises people. This little guy is Eiliko, an AI charm robot packed with personality. It reacts to your touch, shows dozens of adorable expressions on its screen, and responds to how you treat it, so it really does feel alive. It keeps you company throughout the day, fits right in the palm of your hand, and makes the cutest sounds. Think of it as a tiny digital pet, perfect for the desk, the nightstand, or on the go. For anyone who loves gadgets with character, this one is impossible not to smile at. And to really kick things off, an automatic bubble machine that blasts out thousands of bubbles every single minute. Just switch it on, step back, and watch the whole yard fill up with floating bubbles. Toddlers completely lose their minds over it, and it instantly turns any birthday, barbecue, or play date into a celebration. It runs on batteries or a plug, so you can set it up anywhere, indoors or out. Honestly, for how little it costs, the amount of pure joy this thing creates is unbeatable. First in our smart picks, a 4K digital microscope made for curious kids. It magnifies all the way up to 1,000 times and displays everything on its own bright screen, so a whole group can gather around and explore together. Bugs, leaves, coins, crystals, even a strand of hair suddenly become fascinating. It is the perfect way to spark a love of science, and it comes with slides and tools to get started right out of the box. It turns the backyard, the kitchen, anywhere into a real science lab. A brilliant gift for a young explorer. And if you want a complete science kit straight out of the box, here is another fantastic microscope option. This one magnifies from 100 all the way up to 1,000 times and ships with 12 prepared slides, so kids can start exploring within the very first minute, no setup required. It is sturdy, simple to focus, and sized just right for little hands. Hand it to a budding scientist and watch the curiosity completely take over. It is a wonderful, ready-to-go gift for any young explorer who loves to discover how things really work. Here is a kid-safe smartphone that makes the perfect first phone. It is loaded with fun games, a built-in camera, a music player, and a calculator, all completely offline, so there are zero internet worries for parents. Kids feel just like the grown-ups carrying their very own phone, and it is durable enough to survive being dropped a few times. It is a fantastic gift for ages 3 to 10, helping younger kids learn responsibility before you hand them the real thing. Thoughtful, safe, and guaranteed to get a huge reaction on the big day. This is the Contixo 7-inch kids tablet, and it is absolutely loaded with ad-free learning apps and games. It ships with a shockproof, kid-proof case and a built-in stand, plus full parental controls, so you decide exactly what they can access and for how long. With 32 gigabytes of storage, there is plenty of room for educational videos, drawing apps, and games. Kids get to play and learn while you stay completely in control, and it is tough enough to handle real, everyday use. For long car rides and quiet afternoons, it is a lifesaver. Say goodbye to wasted paper. This huge 15-inch LCD writing tablet lets kids draw, doodle, and practice writing all day long, then wipe it clean with the press of a single button. The screen is reusable thousands of times. It is gentle on the eyes with no glare and no blue light, and the colorful display makes every sketch pop. It is featherlight, slips right into a bag, and is perfect for car rides, restaurants, and quiet time at home. One purchase replaces stacks and stacks of paper. Both kids and parents end up using it. Prefer something sized for the littlest artists? This colorful Toddler Doodle tablet is the perfect first drawing pad. The screen lights up in bright, cheerful colors, wipes clean with one simple button, and is tough enough to survive being tossed in a bag or dropped on the floor 100 times. There is no mess, no paper to refill, and no blue light, so it is screen time you can actually feel good about. It is light, grab and go, and keeps toddlers happily busy at the table, in the car, or anywhere you need a quiet moment. Take a trip back in time with this retro handheld game console. It has a crisp 4.5-inch HD screen and packs thousands of classic games right into your pocket. From the arcade hits you grew up with to titles your kids have never seen, there is something for every generation. The battery lasts for hours, the controls feel great, and it even supports a second player for head-to-head fun. It is the perfect blend of nostalgia for the parents and fresh discovery for the kids. Throw it in your bag, and the boredom is gone. And here is GiiKER AI Super Reversi, a smart board game with a built-in AI opponent. The board actually lights up to guide your moves, and it automatically adapts to your skill level, so beginners and experts both stay challenged. You can play solo against the computer or go head-to-head with a friend, and because it tracks the game for you, there is nothing to set up or reset. It is strategy that genuinely sharpens your mind while you have fun. For families who love game night, this is a fresh, modern twist on a timeless classic. Kicking off our family favorites, a giant inflatable pool with built-in lights. At over 10 feet wide, it comfortably fits the whole family, and the moment the sun goes down, the glowing LED lights turn it into a full-on backyard party. It inflates quickly, the walls are thick and durable, and there is plenty of room for kids and adults to cool off together. Splash and play all day, then glow all night. For the price of a few takeout dinners, you get an entire summer of memories right in your own yard. Next, a value-packed bulk set of light-up party favors. You get 24 pieces of glowing glasses, wands, and toys that kids absolutely adore. They are perfect for birthdays, the 4th of July, New Year's Eve, or honestly any night you just want to light things up. Because there are 24 of them, the whole crew gets to join in. No fighting over who gets one. They are bright, fun, and make for amazing photos and videos. It is the kind of simple, affordable surprise that turns an ordinary evening into an event. Check out this LED face mask with gesture control. Just wave your hand and the glowing animation transforms right before your eyes, switching patterns and faces on command. It is an absolute showstopper for Halloween, costume parties, concerts, and cosplay, and the built-in display is bright enough to turn heads in any room. It is comfortable to wear, rechargeable, and lets you customize the look to match your mood. If you want to be the most memorable person at the party, this is how you do it. Genuinely one of the coolest things on this list. Game night just got a serious upgrade with this automatic card shuffler. It shuffles 1 or 2 full decks at the push of a button, giving you a perfectly random mix every single time. No more sore hands, no more clumsy bridge shuffles, and no more arguments about a bad deal. It is battery-powered, so it works anywhere, from the kitchen table to the camping trip, and it is fast enough to keep the game moving. For poker nights, family card games, or anyone who plays regularly, it is a small gadget that makes a surprisingly big difference. And for the golf fan in the family, the Fine Caddy Laser Rangefinder. It measures the exact distance to the flag with slope adjustment in a split second, and shows it clearly on a dual display, so there is no more guessing on approach shots. It locks onto the pin with a reassuring vibration, works rain or shine, and feels like a genuinely premium piece of equipment in the hand. Whether dad is a weekend player or chasing a better handicap, this is the rare gift that actually gets used every single round. A classy, practical pick to close out the list.